Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kihe jongka Atomic Minerals Directorate, henen kasngi kasiterek unaitong kila Kular, Hakhmat u Executive Member, Katnat Land, Mines and Minerals jongka Khadc, uba latip lang harkangor, bakin Pynkut no ye kajingwat bnia, kumju ye kajingsam nuksa yu uranium, hakani kajela Meghalaya. Kani kajing Kular ba ke AMD kala syem kalong hadin bau Executive Member ke Khadc ulakot hajar ye kihe ke AMD, kebalong kasnat rekam jong ke sarkar pedang ke bapet yu uranium. Bakadai banwan pensai mardor halor kajing peteng klong nuksa uranium hagithan mau thaba bat wa kaji. Kebalawan ra ye kajing ki wen bat kajing persya kabajer hapo Southwest Castles District Porok Kawe.
AMD is not involved in uranium mining.
Okay.
And department has taken a very conscious view that we will respect the sentiments of the people and we will go with the state on this. We will not venture for mining without the sentiments of the people.
Secondly, AMD is not the mining agency. AMD is exploration agency and we are in the search and research R&D of atomic minerals, not only uranium, it includes rare earth and so many things. Okay. And UCIL and AMD are two different entities. AMD is pure central government organization, whereas UCIL is undertaking, public sector undertaking. And AMD has got only mandate for search and research for atomic minerals and no mandate for mining. Mining is different agency. Our work ends after the search and research of atomic minerals, which includes number of elements, not only uranium. We were doing short holes, small bore holes of say 20-30 meter to extract some sludge samples for doing R&D purpose, means studying laboratory for their analysis or microscopic study, etc. Nothing else, because we don't have mandate to do the mining. Mining is done by other agency. People have mistook us for as a people from that UCIL, because UCIL is actually public sector undertaking and we are pure central government. We are scientists.
Okay.
We are not in production because pure central government has got nowhere any production type of thing. We are a pan-India organization, right?
Okay.
And this type of exploration activity is done throughout the India in different states and different places. So we have annual field season program. And our department intimates to every state's chief secretary about the work what is being going to be taken up in those states or areas where it is being going to be undertaken, right? So that intimation goes to every state chief secretary, okay? And as far as if we require any assistance or help or any type of support, then we certainly go to the district administration, seek their help, seek their permission, etc. Right?
Okay.
And you can say this type of thing we are doing since so many years to everywhere. But we were not knowing that this type of incidents will happen. Otherwise, we would have not gone there. This type of research.
Now we have totally stopped.
No, Meghalaya we have closed.
We have closed now.
After that incident, we have closed complete operation Meghalaya. No, nothing will be done in Meghalaya.
From
Now onward, we will not do any work in Meghalaya. We have stopped working in Meghalaya.
He has never conducted uranium mining, and our department has taken a very conscious view that we will go with the sentiments of the people and the state. So this thing. But you see, there are many researches which goes on. So it is also in the interest of the state and country at large. And also there are some resource evaluation that also is in the interest of the state and the country at large. We have to, with the permission of the landowners. We have followed the procedures. We have obtained the permission from the landowners. So we have followed the procedure.
Nakaliang uba latip langkar kengor ulai tu, bahakani keje kendo yakini ke nong ilam ke AMD. Ula kren da kabating halor ke jingya lan jongki ya ke district council kabadai ke nong pait nong kami ya ke kendo ka siam. Uba latip langkar kengor ula ongru ba omla satia ban priang ya ke jingkam jong ke AMD ba ke UCIL kamdon jinga dai batka. Nalor kani ula ongru ba ke AMD ke dehi ke benta jong ke UCIL bat kamdon jinga periru namar dai maka ke bakhot tanda na ke benta ban ksam ya umar pokendo u uranium.
Tikawi ke bangi la ekran mane olang ba kiniru kyong ba i oleh yang te onde restaurant ma kade ka UCL block unit ke ba explore uranium. Kira ki UCL te tegong em bola kataru kade ka me de mame be invite contract ki bande ek exploration Indonesia ma thaba tegla mene yang pe thami ka prep lang ne ke usi ne kuno melam le ban exploratory yang tu tegong em ngi la yo ka permission now ramash no te ngelapan kopi ngi la yo ka ni kopi te ngatrai ka bangi la ording yu mene kanu ka bamele ban research ke khatam ki mar pak no ne meri ban yo shya ka permission ni kami yo permission ni memla ban ne tamar bi iran construction empowering ni by construction bakshi chung la batai tata ki om to ngi imti per kata te menta rum tasgi ngina sange nginum baro ki kini main drilling te yakinu ni resources ni la khabut wat kani ka NOC ba ana kasnoro kolong utli le englo aki management tip nang ni Hakhmat kanu ba manage nam ta drilling nam ta explore kanu gi mai ki mineral sudah nang ni po resource ni many ban yo sha ya ka permission ni tama salaban le ki kam la memla am le kam ta kaman belong to legal ni la ban sis kanu no te ta bong em to ni nang ni Hakhmat kanu no bedong kam in one shot ka office ki jesi kamula ba ta me ne tingla on yu pepet ang ni ka khndo ka ri ka jongi ki mar pa khndo ka ri jongi kino mo ban explore ni many ban yo sha ka right no sin ni lem kam ta nginum sha ya te la asura jama many bisa ge sis nda ye kani ka river mining ni memle shuban drilling ne bale yu wong to no sa ge na dum ta sni em ni hab someone you kumno ma permission kat ini ka kam klam ki jintip ka kham tam ka himale ka hima bat ngi dia na bol so kosel ngin hab someone you pe unji ba no ke pe sa pe ke gori ngol le pat se pe
kan non pa chance of pin kini sangat no
kata lalu bakal juga ngin hab le ngin ka punishment you ka ba ngin hab kini sa suspend ni ngin se pe ngin hab someone